Hey, good day to all of you. This is Blair right here in Science is Cool right here on my channel. It's RialbbeTV at odyssey.com, youtube.com, and rumble.com. So anyway, let me start with this one. As you can see, I am now in my this is the Firefox browser, the internet browser of Firefox. And why is it I'm here right now? Because I heard there is a old Linux distro which is not very popular, but it is good, based on Latin America, which is, I think it is Brazil, probably. Yeah, I think it's Brazil. So let's check it out. It opens right now. It's biglinux.com.br, which is in Brazil. It is Big Linux. It is a little bit like not popular, but I think this is a very good distro. This is all based in Manjaro. So let's go to their website. Yes, it is. It is. Okay, because I'm using the Firefox browser. It is translated as soon as it detects it is not my language, because I set my language into English and it translated all the way. So anyway, start using Big Linux, as it is a easy, fast, and free system. Keep using by learning the value of freedom. That's true. That's true. So as you can see, Big Linux is a Brazilian Linux operating system that has been production and promoting free software since 2004. So look at that. So it celebrated its anniversary last July 25. 18 years as Big Linux. Wow. So this is kind of cool. So it is a Brazilian Portuguese developer who put in together this Linux operating system software, which is BIG, big. So they have the big store, the multi-KDE. Wow, this is multi-KDE. With their classic desktop, new desktop, modern desktop, the K-Unity, which means it is KDE and Unity based desktop. They also have the Next-G and the this is Dex X, which means desktop X or desktop 10, something like that. Anyway, that's something that I didn't know. So as I snoop into this website, there are a little bit like 29 languages in partnership with different organizations for their system. Big info and drivers are also automatically installed, and firmware is also installed. Drivers are automatically installed. Of course, they also have the themes, official repository, yes, the AUR, the debs, and the RPMs packages. Let me see. How about the greater performance and the performance? Okay. So it is a very good distro, but it isn't as popular as, because it is a Latin America distributor. So I think the government haven't pushed this as very popular to the international community, or even visibly into the market share all over the world through the worldwide marketing strategy. Most of the Linux are using like Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, or and of course blah 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 thing. So I think they're a little bit like less popular. Dual boot. Oh, they're capable for dual boot for the legacy and the UEFI mode. So it is very cool. So here's some testimony right here. So anyway, let's go to what is Big Linux project. So the project is to be an application development center for Linux, focused on creativity and facility users, and of course making a complex resources available through graphic and simple ways. And it is developed free. No way. No way it's gonna be a paid software. It's absolutely for free, and the development has reached its goals to popularize the Latin America area with more widespread. It is really not yet as popular as other distros like Ubuntu, Pop OS, Fedora, Arch, Manjaro, and of course even like Linux Mint. So I think that's the hardest part for this big Linux distro based on Brazil, which is, I think it is very good because it has a clean website. Oh, here it is. There is an English translation right here. Even my native Filipino English, French. Let me see. Do they have some Bahasa Indonesia? Yes, they have Bahasa Indonesia. Of course, Bahasa Jawa. Let me see. Is there a Thai right here? Oh, here it is. There are also Thai right here. So it is actually capable of like translating. So it is since 2004, and I haven't heard this for how many years? I know it was like I was introduced to Linux way back then, like early days, when they were still developing it, like a DOS form, when the Windows is also DOS form, or even the Sun Microsystems has its Sun operating system software running in DOS. Even the Unix is running in DOS. Well, those were the history. And here's the thing, because the integration of Android is also highlighted right here. So the integration of Android programs in Big Linux with this modification for the Big Linux was really good, actually. I haven't heard this one, but it's really good, actually, based on this website right now. So I have to check this one out and download this so that we could see this in the virtual box. Actually, the virtual box is already ready right here, so I think we need to download this. So let's try to click here, download. So I missed this one. I should have this before, like, it's really good, the integration of Android, because actually Android is a Linux distro at the same time. They're running in Linux kernel. What is the recommendation? So they're recommending right here the Big Linux for desktop, for computer at the same time, and this one for tablets. Okay. So they have the Plasma, Gear, Libre, GIMP, Firefox, and Brave. Oh wow, I'm using actually Brave, Firefox, and Chromium. Oh yeah, even they have this multiple recommendation for the big Linux recommendation for using the etchers, the Belay etchers, the Ventoy, or even the Unet bootnet boot in download. So it's really good. They have this link. So let me see. The minimum configuration is 64-bit Intel or AMD or any capability processor that is capable for running this big Linux. So it's basically like 64-bit capable processor. So, and the minimum random access memory, or the ROM, is only 2 gig. The storage is recommended like minimum of 8 gig. So you can run this in the old computers at the same time. Wow, I haven't seen this one, so I have to check this one out and run it in VirtualBox. The recommendation configuration at the same time is 64 or something like ish upper, and 4 gigabytes of ROM or random access memory is more or higher or something like so that you can run really heavy graphics. And of course it is also recommended that 40 gigabytes of RAM or more, like 500 gigabytes, 250 gigabytes, or maybe 1 terabyte, or maybe more than like 2 terabytes of storage space. So how to choose the big Linux version? So the old kernel and the new. Oh yeah. So generally, if you have some before 2011 computers, it still really can run with your big Linux distro. It's just choosing your desktop setting, if what you want, if it is like heavy in graphics or just simple like KDE something ish. So they have also the video right here, the big Linux. Okay, this is for okay. So on the left side we have the Windows, and the right side we have the big Linux OS already. So you have to check this one out too. You have to. So let's try to download and see you in a bit after I download this. Now we are into our box. Actually, I already tested it before I resumed the video recording. I just tested it out, just to make sure it is running, and I gave it like 4 gigabytes of memory, random access memory, with 8 cores of CPU processor. I only gave like 20 gig, but I could still like add like 40 or something ish, but for now it's just like 20 gig is just okay with me, and I just allow it to running in the background. If whatever happens, if I accidentally close the box, virtual box, it was just like still running at the background. Okay, so anyway, let's open this one. Let's full screen so that you have no interruptions. Okay, so we have this options. We have 4 options right here. We have the legacy. No. We have the start proprietary driver support. We also have the open source, advanced options, and advanced options for open, and of course memory test and restart. So let's go for our open source drivers. So it is starting right now in full screen. So let me see. I'm eager and I'm hoping for this big Linux to be popular soon. It's really good to integrate the Android application into the desktop OS that they have. So we greeted with this: Portuguese Brazil, English USA, and Espanol España. And of course, they have the different languages right here, like Chinese China, Zhongyin, Hokkien. I think this is Hokkien. They also have the Chinese Singaporean, Malaysia. Taiwanese Chinese, which is Mandarin. At the same time, Cantonese. I think they have also Cantonese and Taiwanese Chinese. They have Denmark, Belarus over there. They have Danish, Dutch, Netherlands, English, Australian English, Canadian English, UK English, Ireland English, New Zealand English, Philippines at the same time. Thank you for that one. English USA, but of course, let's just go for English USA right here at the top. Oh, you also have to choose this one. So we have to choose. Let me see what kind of desktop we. I just gonna give it a try right here. The the dark side. Checking system health 90% passed. Oh, okay, that's good. So I have to choose this one, either classic, Caden Unity, new, modern, Next G, and Desktop X. I rather go for Desktop X. Wow, it is awesome. Let me change the. Okay, they're loading. It's still loading. Let me change the display settings because I want to see the 1080, the 16:9. Okay, there you have it. Let's keep it like that one. Ooh. Okay. I was surprised actually. Oh, so the X, the close, minimize, and the maximize, instead of on the right top corner, it is on the left top corner. So we have the maximize, the minimize, and the close. Let's just close for a while. So, okay, there it is. Brave browser is here. We have also the Dolphin, the calculator, Kate, the notes. The speech. Oh, they have the speech text selector, and of course the trash can, of course, and the application. Oh, let me see. Let's try to look for games. Oh, Steam is here. Okay, there are a little bit like few games installed, but it's okay. How about the GIMP right here? GIMP. I like GIMP. How about the internet? Of course, Brave right here. Firefox is here. QTorrent is here, and of course, the Java downloader. How about the multimedia? They have the video converter Mystique. Sound recording and simple screen recorder is also here. Good. We have the reduced microphone noise, which is good for audio voice quality compared to like surveillance. If you are in surveillance, you don't need to cancel the noise because you need to listen to the noise, because of course you're trying to surveillance your sound. So yeah, anyway, you also have the GUVC viewer, which is the, it's just player video. Yeah, this is also a video player. How about the Office? Oh, LibreOffice right here. LibreBase, LibreCalc, Draw, Impress, Map, Writer, and Ocular is also here. How about the settings? Let me see. The controller right here, the big store, and add and remove software, and of course our software update system. Let's try to look for a system. We have the Dolphin, the internet, or I mean the Explorer, the desktop Explorer. We have the console for the terminal, and of course the menu editor, and of course the installation. How about the utilities? Let me see. We have the they already integrated this one, the emojis selector. Wow, it is cool. Run. Okay, I was just like making some noises. Okay, the web apps. This is really cool because they have the desktop already integrated in their system, especially right here, Odyssey. I'm using this in my channel. At the same time, I'm also using YouTube. I'm also available in odyssey.com and rumble.com for my videos. They also have Deezer Music, the translator, the document translator. They also have the Facebook meta groups like the Facebook application, Instagram, Messenger, even Netflix is here. Microsoft is also here. Office 365 is here. OpenStreetMap is also here. Wow, this is really good. Oh my gosh, it's also Photopea is also here. Photopea is one of my personal favorite in photo editing. Prime Video is also here. Hey. Amazon is also here, so it's really cool. Yahoo is also here. WhatsApp, of course, it's Meta Group. Twitter is also here. Twitch, oh my gosh, the Twitch video streaming, but of course I'm streaming in Odyssey and YouTube. But sometimes I watch some of the games, some of the radio station studios streaming live on Twitch. Tune in radio also here. Right here, the Telegram. Oh my, this is what I love. Spotify. It is my pleasure of listening to this music in my playlist. Even though that I still listen to casual radio FM station or internet radio station, but sometimes I will really like to listen to my Spotify playlist because it is really my type of playlist, not using the radio station to listen to. Okay. Of course, we also have the Microsoft Skype right here. Okay, how about the Google? Wow. So I'm also using Calendar, Classroom. Where is here it is. Drive is also here. I use Drive for some of my documents that is for public use, that I don't have to hide it. I have also Gmail account aside from my Proton. Waze is also here. YouTube is also here, which is nice. Aside from Odyssey right here, I have YouTube also. Yeah. Translator is also here. Spreadsheet is also here. Slides, photos, and of course Meet. Of course, I'm using Meet at the same time. And Google Maps, of course. Street View. How about this one? Oh wow, okay. We also have the selection of shutdown, restart, sleep, switch user, save session, log out, and lock right here. This is awesome. Oops. So this is awesome. Awesome. Oh, we have some desktop right here. Desktop 1, desktop 2, desktop 3. I could add desktop 4, so in blah 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 thing. Volume, of course. I'm also. Oh, okay. This is the installer. Yeah, that's the ISO that I have in my VirtualBox. So let me see. So install the system. Calamares. Okay, install the Calamares. Let's just install this in my VirtualBox so that I don't have to like every time just clicking on this. Okay. The system is in BIOS or legacy, and the kernel is 5.15.65. So let me see. Should I perform the pattern, the performance, or the capability? I'll use this one without. So what is the comparison? Okay, the comparison is it is compact data right here. Compact data, yes, but the capability, no, it is not. Restore points, do not use. Reboot, separation. Okay. How about this one? Data. I'll go for this one. Works in old computers. Okay, I mean old computers, like extent, like But I think I'm going for this one. Performance. There, let's try. So I'm installing it. Ooh, they have really good setup of like the Calamares setup is really good. Like this is basically pleasant to the eyes. It is really pleasant to the eyes. Okay, I'll use the American English at the same time. I'm here in Southeast Asia, here in Thailand, in Bangkok, but of course my language, I will just use the English. Let's look for the English. It's somewhere English, USA. Alright, there it is. American English, USA. Next, of course, I'm using the generic 105 key PC, so I'm good with that. Erase, of course, I'll be erasing all the. Ooh, I have the. Okay, it is giving a swap of 2 gig. Yeah, it is okay. Let me see. Swap, no swap. It's just okay. I'm just gonna go with that. Let me put on. Well, it's RealB, and I'll put the password, the super easy. Oh, I didn't. Okay, the super easy password that I will be using. Of course, I'll have to retype my password. And like, oh no, I was just like, okay, I was just gonna use that as password always, I want to be secure. So summary right here. Yeah. Alright. We have SDA1, alright, the boot, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Alright, I'm good with that. Let's install. Install now. And let's wait. See you in the other side. And we're done right here. So we have to restart the virtual machine. Alright, we're in. Let's enter the super secret password. That's my password. Let's try to enter that one. Okay, this is something new. This is box type because it is designed for the old computers so that it is still capable of using old computers. Let me open my display. Let's go for 1080 and let's keep it that way. Keep it that way. Alright. Oh, it's here. Okay, the introduction. Ooh, I love the wobbly thing. It's kind of fancy, you know. Okay, so let's try to start. Okay, desktop. Choose your avatar. Choose your desktop theme. Yeah, I love this one. Yes. I just want to use that one. Yep. Okay, we're good. How about this one? My avatar. Oh wow, I should use this one. Okay, let's enter the super secret password. Okay, let's hold on. Yeah, how about this one? The desktop. Okay, the desktop. Yeah, I'll just go for this one. I'm good with this one. Settings. Browser accelerator. If you are using browser, restart change. Okay, alright. Perform. Ooh, what's that? I was just on the performance mode. Let me see. Okay, it turned off. But if you have this one, it's really like. Okay, now I get it. Okay, how about the configuration for the Brave browser? Okay, alright, I'm good with that. Remove the advertisements, turn on. I want to have like no distraction. Okay, mouse scrolling, I'm good with that. Block desktop editing. I don't know. Hide the group manager. No, that was just okay. How about the language? The language pack. That was just okay. I'm good with that. Okay, next. Brave browser. Yeah, I love the Brave browser. QR codes. Okay, we have QR codes right here. And the dogs bark. Let's wait. Okay. And the dog stopped barking. Okay, so the QR code for the KDE Connect for the Apple and the Google are here, which is good. Next, we have the Big Driver Manager. Hardware. Printer. Just okay with that. Get to know your resources like your web apps, your big store. Noise reduction. Oh yeah, I didn't turn on my microphone for this. I was just like, okay. We have also the controls right here. And of course, we also have the social media applications. Your YouTube, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. And of course, you can donate at the same time. Congratulations, you have completed the first step to use your big Linux. Alright, okay, let's close this one. I like the setup. Let me open this one. Good night. Oh, good night. It's good evening. The translations are really, a problem. Always the problem with the translation. Oh well. Okay, well, let me see. It's all about the info center. So the info center is showing right here the KDE Plasma version is 5.25.5 software, and the frameworks version is 5.97.0, and of course the kernel is 5.15.65, and it is based on Manjaro. Alright, that is cool. And the Qt version is 5.15.5. Performance graphic, like the windowing, is X11. Windows X11. Wow, okay. That's already like good. The hardware that I have, I put it in right here, and my processor is 11th generation i5. The memory I gave is only like 4 gigabytes of random access memory for my virtual box random access memory to access my physical random access memory, or ROM. The manufacturer uses QEMU. The product name, of course, this is just standard PC that I have. System version PC i440FX-6.2. What is that? Okay, it was just like, yeah. No energy information available because this is a virtual box, so it's just okay. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, my storage right here, yeah. My system. My view system hardware information, yeah. Of course, the big store. Kernel installation version. Oh, the disk analyzer. Do we have right here? Oh yeah, the image writer and the formatters right here. Oh, the terminal is also here. Let's look into this. Network and internet. How about the phone? Yeah, connect into the internet using Android. KDE Connect. Snapdragon. Android application support. More. Yeah, is also here. And of course the AirDroid. Customization. Auto start, background, services, the colors, theme, cursor, and desktop session. The desktop themes. Oh, desktop themes. Let me see. Oh yeah. This is all good. Icons. Yep, there it is. Location launcher. Screen locking. Okay, let me see the screen locking. Okay, it's 10 minutes. Okay, I was just like, okay with that. How about the splash screen? Okay, we have this different type, but I'll just go with this one, the big circle. The theme, of course, I already done it. The virtual desktop, yeah, I have it already, like 4 right here. 1 2 3 4. Okay, language, time and date, yeah, I'm already good. The multimedia, oh, they have the SP equalizer, accounts, privacy, the firewall if you are in the server mode, so you can use the firewall. The password manager, I think it is much to have the password manager, because we have a lot of password. Every like 3 months we change the password, and suddenly it was just like completely like I don't know my password anymore, because I need to have the book to write it on. I don't want to store it on my computer, because if someone is snooping around my computer, they will know my password. So I rather have it safe in my notebook, an old plain notebook with the ball pen and pencil okay, written on it, not the digital one. I love the analog. Okay, it is much safer, and the privacy is much better. Okay, that's privacy. How about the servers? Yeah, the SSH server, the browser server, yeah, the VNC server. Yep, yeah, they have this server. How about the devices? Ooh, yeah, Bluetooth, of course. I have Bluetooth. Oh, so it comes with the HP printer and scanner devices. So it is really good. Maybe in my next desktop or laptop I'll use big Linux for my usage, or maybe Ubuntu Studio or something ish. Okay. Oh well, I'm just dreaming. Okay, let's go to our, after some devices we have the system D. They are using system D just like Pop OS. The partition, let me see, let me put on my password right there. Yeah, there's still like 17, because I gave this 20, so it has a swap of 2 gig only. Yeah, but it's okay, I'm good with that. Snap, development, and about. Alright, I think that's over. That's okay with me. Let me see. How do I change the what is the okay, let me go to I'll open the, yeah, like that, and then open another desktop. Yeah, okay, I'm good with that. What is this? Oh, there is an update. Okay, let's try to update this system first. The applications and the repositories, the AUR, Flatpaks, and let's try to go for the big store. Where are you, big store? I'm trying to look for you. Okay, the big store. All right. Okay, minimize. Okay, let's update, apply, enter the super secret password. So we're trying to synchronize the application and the drivers and the updates for the system. And at the same time, let's look into this because we're still like downloading the updates. So we have the home. Yeah, this is the home. We also have the browser. Let's click the browser if what we have. Ooh, yeah, it's already installed right here, so it's just okay. I'm good with that. I'm also good with Firefox, but it's just okay. I'm good with the open source web browser, the Chromium project. The Infinity, yeah. The EP funny. Oh, okay, what's this? Successfully. Okay, so the web browser of GNOME. Do they have the, oh, they even have the Edge. Okay, all right, they have the Edge and even the Google. Let's go back to the email client. Let's try to check the email client. Yep, they also have all the email client, like the Thunderbird, yeah, the Thunderbird. The Evolution is also here. Ooh, cool. And of course the Jerry, yeah, how do you say Jerry? Even the cloud storage, Next Cloud is also here. Yeah. Oh, cozy. This is my, oh, Dropbox is also here. Download. Let me see what is inside the download. Okay, you have the KGet or the KDE get. Do they have the Q? No. The Q-tips download. Where? I think this is the Q-tip. Yep, the Qubit, the Q-tip. Yep, it's here. The messengers, Discord, Telegram, Signal. Oh yeah, I use Signal actually. It is really good. They have all the software from Android to the desktop AUR, the natives, also Flatpaks is also here. It's really good to have this multiple, or even this access, like the Chrome remote desktop. They also have the team viewer at the same time. It's here, so it's really good to have this. Okay, let's try to look for the Office. Okay, yeah, ooh, my aunt. So we also have the LibreOffice. Only Office also here. Oh, okay. I have to download this one. So it is, try to download. It is only 7.6 megabytes for the Only Office desktop editor. So you have that basic desktop editors. Now it is installing to my desktop, starting right now with 255.8 megabytes. It's about like 3 minutes, or make it 2 minutes, or make it just a minute. Okay, this is really fast because my internet connection is a little bit faster. Okay, it is loading right now. It is success. Alright, it is success. Okay, let's go back to our, okay, there it is. Yeah, I use this, even the GNOME, but I'm just okay with this one. That's the Spectacle. And yes, it also, our software is also updated 100%. Let's wait for another available, if there are some available new updates for our operating system software. But I'm trying to look for, oh, Cheese is also here, but I'm just okay with it. This one with this one. I'm looking for web apps. Okay, let's try to close this one. Web apps, where are you? So, web apps, okay. How about if I click this one? It will start. Ooh, yeah, it is. Oh wow, this is cool. Can I search for my channel? That's RialbbeTV. Yeah, there it is. That's my channel, RialbbeTV. Let's open. Alright, there I have my videos, all my videos right here. So yeah, it is right here. Okay, let's just close this one. So that's my look into the so-called knowing of our science in computer, the big Linux OS installed in our VirtualBox. Anyway, I'm Blair. Thank you for hanging out with me for a couple of minutes. I don't know how many minutes do I have. It's already spent right here in this installing, downloading, and visiting the website. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope to see you soon next time right here in my channel. Thank you for hanging out with me, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe into my channel. I'm available in YouTube, in Odyssey, and Rumble. So I hope to see you in the next video and catch another episode of Science is Cool, because science means knowing, and that is why we are trying to know these different types of information in Linux, computers, and everything. As I said, this is Blair saying bye for now. See you in the next episode. Ciao!